What's up, guys? So today I'm getting rid of this ugly thing. I'm making a bash bar. So my goal today is just to build a pretty simple front bash bar just to get rid of that bumper bar. So I'm probably just going to do like a single bar across for now. Step one, I'm going to kind of use this cardboard to make a template for the end caps that I need on each side. So I'm going to mark this up and then trace it onto a piece of sheet metal and then cut it out. Here are my two cutouts of sheet metal. So next I'm gonna hold them up there and mark and drill the holes. So the caps are finished up now. I cut them out and drilled the holes, and now I bolted them up. So now I can start to mock up the actual beam that goes between them. So far I cut my two side tubes, and so now I'm just going to tack them in place using the MIG welder. I've got the final fit up here, so I'm just making sure everything's level and square, and now I'm going to tack it up. Now that it's fully tacked, I'm going to go back through and do all the final welds. I've now got everything final welded, so the last step is going to be throwing a coat of paint on this.